Hi everyone. In this session, let's explore one of the most essential parts of any operating system, the file system and its tasks. A file system is the method used by an operating system to store, organize, retrieve, and manage files on storage devices like hard drives or SSDs. Think of it like a library. It helps you keep things in order so you can find and manage your files easily. Basic file system tasks. Let's go through the basic tasks you can do within a file system. Creating files and folders. You can create new files to store your data, like documents, images, or videos, and organize them into folders. Let's create folder cache. Right-click, select New and select Folder. Double times left-click to open. Create Word file in the folder cache. Right-click. Right-click. Renaming files or folders. You can change the names of files or folders to keep things meaningful and easier to find. Let's move file by drag and drop file in the 2025 folder. Double times left-click to open. Right-click. Moving and copying. Cut, copy, paste. Cut, Ctrl+X. Removes the selected item from its current location. Temporarily stores it in the clipboard. Used when you want to move something from one place to another. Example, you cut a sentence from paragraph 1 to move it to paragraph 2. Copy, Ctrl+C, makes a duplicate of the selected item. The original stays in place. Also stored in the clipboard for pasting elsewhere. Example, copy a name or image to use it in multiple places. Paste, Ctrl+V, inserts the item from the clipboard into the new location. Works after using either cut or copy. Example, after cutting or copying a word, click where you want it and press paste. Let's delete file and folder. Deleting. Remove files or folders you no longer need. Be careful. Once deleted, it may go to the recycle bin or be permanently removed. Searching. Use search tools to quickly find files or folders using keywords, file type, or date modified. File permissions. Operating systems allow you to set who can read, write, or execute a file, very useful in multi-user systems. Viewing properties. You can view details like file size, type, date created, and more by checking the file properties. File system shortcut keys and some Windows shortcut keys.